Welcome, food lovers. If you've ever wandered through the bustling lanes of a street food market, you know there's something truly magical about the sights, sounds, and irresistible aromas that fill the air. Today, we're bringing the vibrant energy of those streets right into your kitchen with the iconic Aloo Tikki Chaat, a dish that's beloved across generations and cultures. Imagine biting into a crispy, golden potato patty, bursting with spicy, tangy flavors, creamy yogurt, and a medley of chutneys that dance on your taste buds with every mouthful. This Ramzan special is perfect for sharing during iftar, bringing friends and family together to create memories and celebrate the joy of good food with every bite. We'll show you how to capture that authentic street-style magic at home. Crunchy tikkis, bold chutneys, and all the vibrant toppings that make this dish unforgettable. Adjust the spice to your liking, experiment with different toppings, and turn this classic snack into your own family tradition. Perfect for any festive gathering or cozy evening. Ready to master this timeless classic? Let's dive in together and make your chaat dreams come true, one delicious bite at a time. Let's gather everything we need for our chaat masterpiece. The magic of chaat lies in its vibrant, fresh ingredients, each one adding a unique flavor and texture. For the filling, start with a splash of oil. Then add aromatic cumin seeds and freshly grated ginger, which bring warmth and depth to the mix. Toss in finely chopped green chilies for a gentle heat, and sweet green peas for a pop of color and freshness. Next, add creamy boiled potatoes and hearty chana dal, which give the filling its satisfying bite and substance. Now, sprinkle in a vibrant mix of spices, salt for balance, Kashmiri red chili for a mild kick and beautiful color, fresh coriander for brightness, and garam masala for a complex aromatic finish. Don't forget chaat masala for that signature tang, a squeeze of lemon juice for zing, and more fresh coriander to tie it all together. For the tikki, you'll need more boiled potatoes. These form the base of our crispy patties. Mix in rice flour and corn flour for crunch, a pinch of salt, and a handful of coriander for freshness. These simple additions guarantee a tikki that's golden and crisp outside, yet soft and fluffy inside. For assembly, gather creamy yogurt, tangy tamarind chutney, spicy green chutney, crisp onions, and shredded purple cabbage. Top it all with chaat masala, crunchy papri, and a final flourish of fresh coriander for that irresistible street-style finish. Prep everything before you start, just like an artist carefully setting up a palette of colors before painting a masterpiece. With these ingredients ready, you're all set to create street-style perfection at home. Let's get cooking and bring the flavors of India to your kitchen. The heart of our tikki is its spicy textured filling. Heat oil, sizzle cumin, ginger, and green chilies for aroma. Add peas, sauté until tender, then toss in all the spices. Mix in boiled potato and chana dal. Mash the potato smooth, keep the dal a bit chunky for texture. Finish with lemon juice and coriander for freshness. Make sure the filling is dry, not runny. Let it cool completely before stuffing. This is the flavor bomb that makes your tikki unforgettable. Time to shape our tikkis. Mash boiled potatoes until smooth, no lumps allowed. Add salt, coriander, corn flour, and rice flour. Knead into a soft, non-sticky dough. Divide into equal portions, roll each into a ball, and flatten to make a cavity. Fill with cooled spicy filling, seal, and gently flatten into classic tikki shapes. Repeat for all portions. The secret: sturdy, smooth potato casing and just the right amount of filling. Your tikkis are ready for the griddle. Let's fry to perfection. This is where the magic truly happens, and your kitchen transforms into a vibrant street food stall. The sizzle, the aroma, and the anticipation all come together as you prepare to create something unforgettable. Start by lightly coating your tikkis in corn flour. This simple step helps lock in moisture and gives them that signature crispy shell. Gently place them on a hot tawa or skillet, frying on medium heat until they turn a delicate golden color. This initial fry sets their shape and ensures they hold together beautifully. For ultimate crunch, increase the heat and fry the tikkis again, pressing them gently with a spatula. This second fry is the secret to achieving that irresistible street-style crispiness. Each tikki should be golden brown and audibly crunchy on the outside. Once your tikkis are deep golden and perfectly crisp, it's time for the most exciting part, assembling your masterpiece. The contrast of textures and flavors is what makes this dish so special. Place the piping hot tikkis on a plate, break them open slightly to reveal the fluffy insides, and generously layer with creamy yogurt, tangy tamarind chutney, and spicy green chutney. Let the sauces soak into the crispy edges. Now, add a burst of color and crunch, top with finely chopped onions, shredded purple cabbage, a sprinkle of chaat masala, crushed papri, and a handful of fresh coriander. Each topping adds its own unique flavor and texture. Every bite is a celebration, a perfect balance of spicy, tangy, creamy, and crunchy. The flavors dance on your palate, just like they do at your favorite street food stall. Serve immediately while everything is fresh and vibrant. Gather your friends and family, and watch as everyone digs in with excitement and joy. Homemade street-style Aloo Tikki Chaat, pure joy in every bite. Happy cooking, and enjoy sharing this delicious experience with your loved ones.